everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a lipstick on SnapSeed. SnapSeed does not have a specific tool for adding lipstick directly on one of your images, but you can achieve a lipstick effect using a combination of existing tools. So here's how you can do it. Open up your SnapSeed application to get started. Tap on the plus button on the screen. Select an image where you would want to add the lip color to. Once you open up an image, go to the Tools option at the bottom of the screen. Now click on the Brush Tool option. Select Saturation from the bottom of the screen and then simply go ahead and swipe your finger across your lips and you will be able to add colors on your lips. You can also increase or decrease the saturation intensity by tapping on this little arrow at the bottom, right in front or right at the back of Saturation option. After you do that, you will be able to add a lipstick or a similar effect on your image using SnapSeed. After you are happy with your result, tap on the tick mark at the lower right and that way you have successfully add lipstick on SnapSeed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.